Welcome to Africa channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to help us.
Lamborghini shapes its future electrified lineup of high-performance supercars. Climate change and the collective world government freakout over carbon emissions in the past few years have led luxury supercar automakers like Lamborghini down a very strict path: adapt or die. Well, they're going to adapt, and the future products will be better for it, apparently, as the push for electrification puts the Italian automaker right where it wants to be, at the very cutting edge of the latest technology. Here's what we can expect out of 4 newly confirmed future Lambo models by the end of the decade. Lamborghini's confirmed future plans today include a hybrid successor to the Huracan sports car, a hybrid version of the Urus SUV, and a future higher performance super SUV to debut after the Lanzador EV, all set to debut before 2030 and all to meet newer emissions and drivetrain regulations for every market the brand currently operates in, so nobody should expect to get left behind in the future. This year, Lambo will introduce a hybrid version of the Urus SUV, along with a new hybrid replacement to the Huracan sports car. Its first fully electric model will come by 2028 and be closer to a small SUV but heavily inspired and designed by the lower sports cars in size and shape, previewed by the stunning Lanzador concept vehicle. Finally, Lambo will top it all off with a second SUV model, a larger vehicle than the Urus, which is said to be a fully electric super SUV due by 2029. The brand started its electrification push with mild series hybrids in the past, but it's the all-new Revuelto hybrid super sports car, the replacement to the Aventador, is the current crown jewel. It's a great lesson in Lambo's philosophy going forward: reduce CO2 emissions across the board without jeopardizing performance, and in fact, improving upon it. The Revuelto keeps its 6.5-liter V12 powertrain alive with the addition of 3 electric motors for a total output of over 1,000 horsepower, while managing 35% improved efficiency over the Aventador. The new hybrid Huracan successor is expected to get electronically assisted 4.0-liter V8 powertrain with a bespoke quad-turbo setup that revs to 10,000 revolutions per minute, and the turbos only activate above 7,000 revolutions per minute. The Lanzador EV concept teaser features an all-electric powertrain with a e-motor unit driving each axle for all-wheel drive, powered up to a claimed 1,340 horsepower. Whether the brand's first full EV keeps its 2-door, 2+2 seating layout is anyone's guess at this point. The future all-electric super SUV slated for 2029 will in all likelihood be larger than the Lanzador and offer even more performance. Lamborghini likes to outline 6 key pillars of focus for each new model it introduces. There's what it calls the human-machine interface, or how the driver interacts with the vehicle through screens, buttons, and more, the introduction of carbon fiber and lightweighting techniques for improved performance, the introduction of an electrified powertrain nowadays, a so-called advanced frame for structure and to mount all this impressive tech, improved aerodynamic studies, and fully integrated pilot driving control over vehicle systems to capture the sensation of being a jet pilot. Expect each of these new models to go through those rounds before being approved for production. It should make for a hell of a lineup by decade's end.
We have come to the end of the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to help us.